Come on, babes. Let's go. Come on. You got to get used to them. We got to protect those feetsies. Come on, Jada. You can do it. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Come on. You got it. I know. I tried when you were smaller, but we couldn't find any for your feet. Come on. You can do it. Come on. You got it. Come on, Jada, baby. Good girl. Yep, they're not staying on. Fart. Come on. Well, that's that. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany and I'm coming to you from inside of my beautiful tiny home on wheels, Tamara. I'm pretty sure you guys can hear the little pitter patter. It's raining. It's still pretty early. Like, we got up maybe around 7 o'clock just because I knew the rain was supposed to come, so I was trying to get us out before the rain started. And you saw Jada, I got her some dog shoes because her feet, like, she get these little sticky burrs in her feet, but she did not want to, you know, be in those shoes this morning, so that was a big fail. But today I kind of have a list of things that I want to start and hopefully finish, especially like this top shelf up here. It's a mess. And I ordered these off Amazon. It's 3 of them in here, and it's like the perfect depth. And I'm hoping this is like, it's like too perfect. Actually, it might slide in because I have the 3 in there, but I should be able to put it in at an angle and it'll go in. I have 3 of them, so I can actually stack my dishes and all that stuff better, because it's a hot mess up there. And you know, I'm trying to get everything together because I have this moment of stationery, so I'm trying to make the most of it. So let's get to work. I'm not gonna like film a lot. I've had this camera now for about 3 years and I still don't know how to do a time lapse on my stationary camera. I do the time lapse on my phone, but I don't know how to do it on my camera. I'll learn one day, but not today. Yeah. Hey, welcome to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany and I travel full-time on the road with my fur baby Jada and this RPod 153. We initially started our travels in my self-converted Skoolie named Domino, but with mechanical issue after mechanical issue, it was time to put her in storage and purchase something more reliable. And now I have Tia and Tamara, aka Sister Sister. Join me as I save up to purchase my dream land and navigate life as a solo female traveler. Y'all don't understand how happy this is making me. Like, oh my gosh, I wish I would have thought of this sooner, but I didn't. But we're here now, and this is just crazy. So, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is gonna be nice. Okie dokie, so I'm gonna switch this up. Yeah, you can see it. I have the bowls and stuff down there, but I think I'm gonna switch and put them up here. And so I have some of that stuff, I don't know, cabinet liner, and then I just fed it through, so hopefully it stays in place and the bowls don't slide. And then I'm gonna put I have the lids right here. Well, you'll see. I'm trying to figure something out. Starving. I forgot, like it's still really early and I'm like, oh, I'm hungry. I just took Jada on another walk. Sorry y'all up in my face, but yeah. Oh, I wish I would have bought some sliced almonds. Sliced almonds would have been so good in this. How cute is this little clip that I found up there? Let me see. There we go. So freaking cute. Cheers. When I tell y'all it is coming together, like what? And this is so perfect. I used to have 2 baskets stacked up, just whatever. It is great now. I can even hide my extra almond milks back there. Have my 2 cereals right here. Y'all, this is perfect. I am just standing here in awe, y'all, because this is just, it's so much neater. And everything is in there. I can see basically everything. And over in the corner, I have like 2 things of almond milk hiding back there. Like, what? This is, I just kind of want the cabinets open now. Yay! Jada baby has the right idea. Herkling Durkling. So we just got back in from our morning walk, and I have my coffee, my little back pillow, and I'm about to lay in bed and watch some South Park, get my Herkle Durkle on. It's only 8:30 around these parts, and that's just too early. So we're gonna get back and relax. I didn't get a chance to juice yesterday, and we're gonna clean a whole bunch of fruit, and then we're gonna juice and start editing a video today. I think that sounds about right. So yeah, Herkle Durkle time, friends. Herkle Durkle. Show y'all these real quick. So I'm somebody who like damps my hand often while I'm, you know, cooking and stuff like that. So I found these on Amazon. This is not an ad, but like these are reusable microfiber paper cloths, or you know, just cloths that you can use in place of like napkins and stuff like that. So this is perfect. That's why I had this up here. So when I'm like doing stuff, I don't have to keep using a paper napkin. But this is so much better. Cute, right? So yeah, I just wanted to share that. But now I'm gonna clean the fruits and veggies. So before I empty out that water that's in the sink, y'all, I'm at 2/3, so I'm gonna go ahead and empty the water now. My gray tank and some of my black tank. Go ahead and do that. Luckily everything is already hooked up, so just gotta pull a lever. I'm gonna go ahead and get some of that black going out. This gray going too. Yeah, and it's just as simple as that, my friends. All nice and clean, ready to be juiced and eaten. One of those star fruits. I'm gonna eat it. Y'all, I am ready to take a midday nap. I don't know, that tuna fish, whatever it was, I don't know. I am ready to take a nap. So this fruit will be perfectly fine here. It just seems like I normally like stop doing real stuff at like 5 o'clock, and that includes like, you know, just like activities that I plant during the daylight. But I'll juice this evening, and I'm still gonna cook dinner. Dinner is gonna be super easy, but yeah, I'm about to take a nap, y'all. So it's probably gonna be dark when we come back up. So tonight's dinner is gonna be super simple. I'm just using some thin spaghetti and doing this meat bolognese, and y'all, it actually tastes really good. I purchased this because it had really simple ingredients, nothing fake, everything I could basically read and recreate myself, and it tastes really good. So I have this, a little bit of Kobe Jack cheese, well, not a little because I'm baking this and then I'm gonna put it in my convection oven. So I'm just making the noodles, gonna mix it together, add some cheese, and just making a super simple baked spaghetti, and that is gonna be dinner tonight. Okay, I'm gonna show you the brand one more time because I tasted it, and you know how most brands you have to add like some sugar or additional seasonings to it. Y'all, this tastes really good. This one is a really good brand, so I will be using this again. And what I don't use, I'm gonna put the rest in a freezer in one of my soup saver silicone mold thingies. So yeah, I'm excited.
Just where it was needed, gleaming in black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. Swallows will be here by dawn. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt.
This thing kind of heavy.
We'll always remember how it felt.
Let's do, I don't know, 300.
A significant life, just what it was needed. Clean in the black.
Jada, baby, you got to come back over here. Now, get your ball. Of course, she disguised it like she's using the restroom.
Nobody's losing.
Good girl.
The sparrows will be here by dawn. When we finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
Okay, but can I take the food out first? Thank you. I want to take the food out. 1 second. This is a little heavy. All right, friends. Dinner's ready. I wish I had some like ricotta cheese. I definitely would have put that in there. Would have been like a spaghetti lasagna situation. Moment of truth. tastes really good. Some ricotta cheese would have been so good with this. Friends, don't laugh at me. I don't know if I'm gonna juice tonight. I know I'm gonna do it tomorrow if I don't tonight. So we just gonna see. I'm gonna eat.